Good morning, afternoon, or evening to whatever time you are watching this video. I'm Colin Soto and I will be taking you through my product review of Health Hub, a digital healthcare service platform that can be accessed by both Singapore residents and foreigners with the SingPass account via the official website and mobile application. So what exactly does Health Hub services provide? Well, it gives you online users the convenience of being able to view evidence-based health and wellness information, access health records for yourself or other personal contacts, and perform transactions across public healthcare clusters such as appointments, bill payments, and refiling of medication. Prior to what Health Hub is now, what would take the form of its predecessor product? This can be characterized as public digital health information pages and websites that display general health and wellness content but lack the interactivity and personalized services for its users, which is one of the highlights of Health Hub's concurrent offerings. This can be holistically referred to as a previous era of health and wellness online mediums caused by the evolution of technology over time, rather than a specific predecessor product to Health Hub. Majority of, if not all, professionally licensed and active health websites have acclimated to the current capabilities of modern technology with the addition of interactive, personalized services. Looking back at the societal needs this predecessor product has been able to address it, has offered easy to access information for users who may need it urgently under a situation at hand, or for curious and conscious users who seek the knowledge for the benefit of being informed of health and wellness practices they should avoid, sustain, and learn to develop in their lifestyles. On the other hand, the limitations of this is the persisting lack of interactive tools and personalized services. Examples of these features that are not present in the predecessor product include the applying for in-person consultations, integration of calorie intake trackers, opportunities to participate in health programs alongside other people, and many more. With the addition of Health Hub's diversified online resources such as interactive tools and personalized services, users are able to save much more money compared to confronting traditional healthcare options. They would be more prone to being exposed to more relevant information that more accurately meets their personal needs aligned with their individual conditions and habits, and be given the privilege to have quick and easy access to personal records and transactions that they can view anytime and anywhere. When it comes to the current state of Health Hub, there are still some notable limitations and drawbacks. The first is that, just like any other online website and application, people without a stable or have no internet connection would not be able to access its contents. Secondly, Health Hub's e-services including application of personal appointments and medical reports, the viewing of immunization records and lab test results, etc., are only retrievable from public health institutions that reside solely in Singapore. Therefore, foreigners may find it troublesome to interact with these services despite the existing SingPass feature that allow them to partake in such services. Lastly, Health Hub has an initiative called Healthier SG, exclusive only to Singaporeans, that offers personalized health plans, partnerships with different agencies to better support people's health goals and additional community programs to choose from as recommended by assigned personal doctors. In the near future, Health Hub may be improved through eliminating the exclusivity of their services and connections to public health institutions to Singaporeans and SingPass owners. This in turn would permit Health Hub to reach many users globally who would very much need the quality services and evidence-based information for themselves or loved ones without going through the hassle of meeting the requirement of creating a SingPass account. Health Hub's e-services may also be improved through the integration of AI, not necessarily as a tool to be relied on, but rather as a means for users to receive the answers they need swiftly. The answers of this Health Hub AI will be programmed to respond with the insights, recommendations, and health risk predictions based on the content already existing in the website. Health Hub may address these concurrent limitations by expanding the range of services to not only appeal to Singapore residents, but gradually build up its international reach to foreigners without the need for the strict requirements of a SingPass, broadening their connections and partnerships with public health institutions outside of Singapore, and providing offline access to certain health wellness information like vaccination records, emergency contacts, or medical prescriptions for the benefit of those without stable internet connectivity. Although consulting your doctors in person will always be the most optimal choice, with the relatively fast advancement of medical technology, it's expected that the costs of these services will continue to increase. Consequently, a future version of Health Hub may play a crucial role in this economic phenomena alongside the swiftness of AI tech. Through affordable e-services and freely accessible professional healthcare content and advice. By simplifying healthcare access, Health Hub would not only benefit individual users, but also contribute to a more sustainable and equitable healthcare system. Taking a stroll back in time, what exactly was society accustomed to before the invention of this type of digital service platform? Before the modern era of online and accessible health and wellness information, society relied on the traditional walk-in or scheduled in-person consultations and appointments to varying medical professionals, attending to our local doctors for such advice. Now, however, retrieving medical results and completing payment transactions is made much easier, enabling patients to avoid the hassle and long process as compared to personally visiting medical facilities and going through the procedures. Specifically, talking about Health Hub, the concept of having a one-stop portal and mobile app for Singaporeans to access a wide range of health content, deals, rewards, and e-services was first conceived in late 2013. Given Singapore's high smartphone and internet penetration rates, introducing a one-stop online health information and services portal and app is a showcase of natural progression for smart health. Prior to the establishment of Health Hub to the product, the team conducted focus group discussions to understand what the public would like to have in Health Hub. The segments of participants in focus group are parents-to-be, parents of young kids, the health conscious, those diagnosed with the condition, and the recently screened. After Health Hub was introduced to the public, it is safe to assume that society will be looking forward to more innovative ways to connect with medical professionals, not just within the borders of their country, but around the globe. Because Health Hub services are catered more towards Singaporeans, societies outside of Singapore will anticipate that digital healthcare service platforms will be more swift in the delivery of their services, while at the same time progressively develop into an intuitive interface that would allow people that are not as knowledgeable on technological tools to understand and use Health Hub's offerings with ease. Thinking with the mindset of how Health Hub can be useful here in the Philippines, the organization may take into consideration how they can expand their e-services in public health institutions in the country. Some reputable wellness organizations in the Philippines include the Department of Health or DOH and PhilHealth. While these institutions already have their own e-service offerings, establishing partnerships with Health Hub will allow the involved parties to further improve the quality of their content in their websites with the utilization of their combined knowledge regarding varying topics. Additionally, Health Hub's partnerships with health institutions in the Philippines will allow them to take note of specific habits practiced exclusively by Filipinos fostering the implementation of new and innovative health and wellness programs. So why should Health Hub, a Singaporean-based health service organization, consider attending to the needs of Filipino society? The essential need of Philippine society that can be addressed by Health Hub is filling the gap of the lack of access to basic health care knowledge and services within rural areas across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Because of the wide variety of Health Hub's offered free programs and accessible wellness content, such as the National Steps Challenge, I Quit Program, and Live Well, Age Well program, Health Hub is more capable of changing how the less fortunate Filipino communities view what it means to live a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Through the partnerships, Health Hub will be able to reach out and connect with locals residing in underserved regions in the country, equipping them with the intellect to make wiser and committed decisions to health and practices that serve as a pillar of support for their labor-dense lifestyles in the countryside. Among other digital platforms that offer health and wellness content, Health Hub is the website to visit because of its multifunctionality. In comparison to other popular websites of the category, such as World Health Organization and Healthline.com, both of which specializes in delivering trending health news and worthy information content, and MayoClinic.org, specializing in personal appointments, billings, and concerns, Health Hub functions with the benefit and convenience of offering both types of services in just one website. That is all for today's product review. I hope I have sparked your interest and curiosity for what healthcare may be like in the ever-evolving future. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video.